day people, goeiedag mense. This is, oh, good day people, goeiedag mense. This is about the cylinder head story again. Now, the other day I took this is today, first with this, it's 20th of February 2024 today, and it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, this is a same gasket as that one in the package there. The Athena. So I showed you that they damaged the gasket on the other side. There was a gash in it. So maybe it's meant to be like this, dented in there, with a gash in there, because this isn't a very good gasket. I would have fitted it to the engine there of the yellow station wagon the other day, but I then decided to fit a Victor Range gasket, or whatever, Range gasket or whatever. But what happened is all this became grey, like powdery. The green coolant I used here, all the holes were blocked, all those little holes there, these holes, they were all blocked like this, in the block and in the cylinder head. Blue leaked through over here, all over. Look at the grey there, and it also made a bump to the one side out, blew up. There's also a bump in it. So got swollen and swelled into the hollows there. And after I've taken this off, I see it has a double metal here on the outside ring here of the cylinder, but it cracked loose there where it was folded over. It's folded over, as you can see here on this gasket. It's a double layer. They took the one side over to the other one. There was one underneath, and they folded one over the other one. But with the time, with the heat and the pressure, this metal here going around like this cut the inside one. So this is why it's now cut there. So now you can tear it. Cutting my finger. Anyway. See, so it's cutting like that. After cutting my finger. So now it's a double layer here. There's one, and the other one's at the bottom, been cut off from this lot here. So now that's done, that piece of gasket there. And let's go to the bad news here on the cylinder head. there you can see the bad news. This is where the bolt comes through. So it doesn't have a lot of metal here. That's the water coming out of here, going in there from the block. The water goes in here, but it ate up the aluminium there, and also up there. It's eating its way to the outside, so I must take it to somebody to weld it for me. And there's marks there. You mustn't bother about these marks here. I dunked the marks there. But the reason why I dunked the marks there was because when parked for a long time, one of the valves, when they open, I don't know which one it was, but when one of the valves are open, the intake valve seat came out of the cylinder head. I think the seat is loose in the head. I don't know which one it was, so I just thought about it. Maybe it goes skew when it wants to come out, and then when you want to start it, it misfires. But it misfires on one of the intakes. I don't know which intake, but it misfires on one of the intakes. There was a blowback on the intake, and then after a while, if it idles, then it comes right. And if you drive it more often, then it doesn't do it. Just when it gets parked, sometimes, and for about 3 days or so, and then it does it. So then I decided to bonk all the valve seats there with a punch, center punch. I bonked center punch marks on the inside there. First I did it on the outside, but then I did it on the inside. There on the inside, all the valves on the inside. And that one and there also on the inside there, all of them. I did so, bunking them there, hitting them. And now there's no problem with this, no misfiring whatsoever, ever with it. But now the gasket started to leak. There was a lot of white powder on there. I sandpapered it off and realized all the corrosion that took place with the green coolant. So now I don't know if the green coolant is a good coolant. I'm testing the orange coolant, the total coolant. Maybe I must try the pink coolant. I don't know if the pink coolant is better, but the case is with this coolant storage. So then I say bye-bye from this video en sê tot ziens van deze video. I can't get this thing loose. Okay, that. And then I go back. Just hope the wind doesn't blow the camera over now. It's a strong hot and strong wind, warm and sterk wind. Bye bye from die video. tot ziens van die video. Bye bye from this video. Okay, bye. Thanks for viewing. Stay safe. Bly veilig. Dankie dat julle na deze video gekyk het. Tot ziens.